1200-watt Pyle marine speakers review. Boat party or base fail? The truth no one told you. Ever felt like your adventure soundtrack constantly gets ruined by weak, crackling speakers? Whether you're bouncing down muddy trails or cruising over waves, your so-called rugged speakers keep tapping out. You blast your playlist, only to get distortion, lame volume, and a blown cone when things heat up. Trust me, I've been there. Stuck mid-ride with a silent boat, wishing I'd bought something that could actually survive outdoor life. Sound like you? If unreliable gear keeps blocking your vibe and wasting your rides, buckle up, because today's audio upgrade is long overdue. Now let's crank the pain. Imagine prepping your ATV or boat, hyped for adventure, only to hear your tough speakers choke when a splash hits. Static. Silence. And the waterproof promise? Yeah, marketing lies. Meanwhile, your playlist's trapped inside your phone, because Bluetooth won't pair, wires keep snapping, and the bass? Non-existent. Your weekend? Wrecked. Burnout hits harder when your tools fail you. Every ride feels like an audio gamble. Missed beats, missed memories, and a sound system that makes you question your life choices. If that's you, it's time to stop settling for mediocre. Meet the Pyle 6.5-inch water-resistant marine off-road speakers, packing a savage 1,200 watts of power with a built-in amplifier and wireless Bluetooth 5.0 streaming. These aren't just speakers, they're your next-level outdoor audio solution. Built with IPX6 marine-grade toughness, they shrug off splashes, dust, and dirt while pumping serious sound. Hook them up via AUX, RCA, or USB. Mount them to your roll bar, cage, or boat rail in minutes. Neodymium dome tweeters plus polypropylene cone woofers mean clear highs, solid mids, and bass that hits harder than your last cheap speaker system promised. Ready for consistent performance wherever adventure calls? The Pyle 1200-watt speakers offer weatherproof reliability, Bluetooth freedom, and no-nonsense install, plus that anti-thump soft start keeps your audio smooth. Whether you're tearing up a trail, boating under the sun, or vibing in the garage, these speakers stay loud and proud. Customers praise the punchy volume, rugged build, and party-ready soundstage. Let your rides sound as epic as they feel. Want the details? Keep watching and get the full breakdown on why these are a must-have for off-road and marine audio lovers. Here's the deal. Stock flies fast, and adventure doesn't wait. Thousands of riders, boaters, and explorers have already made the switch to Pyle's 6.5-inch 1200-watt marine speakers, and they're not looking back. Don't waste another ride with weak sound. Secure yours now, before they're gone. Buy today. Mount this beast. Blast your soundtrack. Feel the ride like never before. Your adventure deserves epic audio. Stop compromising. Start dominating. Click the link, upgrade your ride, and let the party follow you everywhere.